Hello students, welcome to the classes. In this session, we will continue with MCQs on permutations and combinations. Now let's see the first question. Okay, if alpha equals to MC2, okay, then they have asked what? Alpha C2. Now see here, alpha equals to MC2. What is meant by MC2? That's nothing but M into M minus 1 divided by 2. Right, start from M, write two numbers in the decreasing order, then divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial is nothing but what? 2. Now they have asked alpha C2. What is alpha C2? Alpha into alpha minus 1 divided by 2. Right, now alpha value I will substitute here. Alpha is nothing but M into M minus 1 by 2 into alpha minus 1, M into M minus 1 by 2 minus 1 whole divided by 2. Wherever you have alpha, I am substituting this value. Now see here, M into M minus 1 divided by 2 2s are 4, and then M into M square minus M into 1 M, take LCM, 2 into 1 2 whole divided by 2. Right, now see here, this I will simplify. M into M minus 1 divided by 4 2s are 8 into, see this M square minus M minus 2, that I will factorize. Use the middle term splitting method and factorize. You will get the factors as what? M minus 2 into M plus 1 are the factors now. M minus 2 and M plus 1. So just what? Factorize it. Now see, I will write in the order. First I will write the highest term, M plus 1. Then I will write the next term, M. Then I will write M minus 1. Then I will write M minus 2. And here I will write 8. Now see here, what I will do is, see, M plus 1, M minus 1, M minus 2. So in every term, okay, every term is decreased by 1 unit. M plus 1 has become M minus 1, M minus 2. Right, how many terms you have? You have 4 terms. So what I will do here is M plus 1, okay, M minus 1, M minus 2. What I will do to this case is I will multiply and divide by 3. Why multiply and divide by 3? See, you get this, I will keep this 3 as it is. Now see, M plus 1, M minus 1, M minus 2. I will keep that as it is. See, M plus 1, M minus 1, M minus 2. What is 8 3s are? 24. This 24 is nothing but 4 factorial. 4 factorial is nothing but what? 24. Right. So this means this 3 as it is, and this whole thing we can write as M plus 1 C4. It means starting with M plus 1 till we have 4 numbers and divided by 4 factorial. And that's nothing but what? M plus 1 C4. So what's the option then? 3 into M plus 1 C4. So which option? Option D, 3 into M plus 1 C4. Right, now let's look into the second question now. Okay, if a total number of words, okay, which can be formed out of A, B, C, D, E, F, taken 3 together such that each word contains at least one vowel is, they should not have started with if, they could have given A, a total number of words. See what they are given, taken 3 together. How many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we have. And they are given at least one vowel. See what we will do out of 6. See, we have 6 vowels. Out of that we need to arrange 3 because we are arranging only 3 vowels together. So this is total number of what? Permutations. Out of that I will subtract few permutations which will not contain vowel at all, because they have asked what? At least one vowel. At least one vowel means if you need at least one vowel, okay, what I will do is in total I will subtract no vowel. In total I will subtract no vowel. This is total. No vowel means what? See, no vowel means I'll leave this and I will leave this. A and E are vowels, right? I will leave them. What will get? B, C, D, F. How many are left with now? 4 are left. In that I should arrange what? 3 words, 3 letters. right? So these are the combination, or these are the permutations which do not contain vowel at all. So total minus no vowel, you'll get what? At least one vowel. 6p3, 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2 into 1 minus 4p3, 4 into 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 into 1. See, I told you how to solve this, right? Oh, just a second. This is permutation, not combination. So what I will do is, I'll just erase this part, because in permutation you don't get the denominator at all. You'll get only in terms of what? Only in case of combinations you'll get denominator, right? Here 6 5s are 30, 34s are 120, minus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 120 minus 24, 96. So which option? Option A, right? Now let's see the next question. The value of 50C4 plus summation R from, okay, they have given some condition here. Now let's solve how to solve. Let's see how to solve this. 50C4 as it is plus, this is summation R from 1 to 6. It means substitute the value of R as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. Now let's do one thing. You can substitute the value of R as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's come in the reverse order. So it becomes easy. 56 minus 6. I am substituting the value of R as 6 now. 56 minus 6, 50. 50C3. Now I will substitute our value of R as 5. 56 minus 5, 51. 51C3. Now I will substitute 4. 52C3. 56 minus 4. Next 56 minus 3, 53C3. Then 56 minus 2, 54C3. Then 56 minus 1, 55C3. Right. Now see, we know the formula NCR plus NCR minus 1 is nothing but N plus 1 CR. Right. Now see, these two together. Here we have N, here we have N. Here we have R. And this is R minus 1, because 4 minus 1 is 3. So what's the answer? N plus 1 CR. So 50 will become what? 51 C. R value is what now? 4. I'll write 4. Plus these things I'll keep it as it is again. See here. 51 C3 plus 52 C3 plus 53 C3 plus 54 C3 plus 55 C3. Right. Again you apply NCR plus NCN, I mean NCR minus 1. 51 51. So this will become what? This is 4 now, and this is 4 minus 1 3. If you apply that formula, what do you get? You get 52C4. Right. Again, if you apply this 52C4 with this, what do you get here? You get 53C4. Right. You apply the formula. Again, if you apply formula with 53C4 with 53C3, what do you get? You get 54C4. If you apply this with 54C4 with 54C3, what do you get? You get 55C4. Again, you apply this formula, same formula, NCR plus NCR minus 1. If you apply this with this, what do you get? You get 56C4. Right. Every time the value of N increments by 1 unit. Right. So what's the option? 56C4, option A. Now let's see the next question. A die is thrown thrice. How many outcomes are possible in which the number 3 appears at least twice? See, a die is thrown thrice. How many outcomes are possible in which number 3 appears at least twice? At least twice means what? So the number 3 appears twice or thrice, because at least means minimum of 2 times or maximum of 3 times. Why? Because die is thrown only 3 times. So twice or thrice. So now see what we will do. Twice means in 3 tosses. Okay, let's take 2 3s here. Twice. Okay, it appears twice. Now to fill up this, how many options I have? I have 1 2 3 4 5 6. To fill up this, I have 1 2 3 4 5, because I cannot fill up 3 here. If you fill up 3, what do you get? You get it becomes at least thrice now. If I fill up 3, it becomes at least thrice. So I can't fill up because I am checking only for twice. So I don't fill up this. How many options you have? 1 2 3 4 5. It means what I will do is, to fill up this, let's say I have filled up 3. I have filled up 3 here. Okay, but to fill up the next place, we have 5 options. Right, we have 5 options. Then first I will fill up the things. Okay, to fill up this I have one option, that is 3. To fill up this I have one more option, that is 3 only, because it has to appear thrice. And to fill up this I have 5 options. Now 1 into 1 into 5, there are 5 options. These are the selections. But in how many ways you can jumble? You can jumble in how many ways? You can jumble in 3 factorial ways, because you just see this is just we have selected now. Okay, this can be 3 3, let's say 4, or this can be 3 4 3, or 4 3 3. We can arrange also. When you select a number, we can arrange that also. In how many ways we can arrange? 3 factorial. But I should divide it by 2. Why? Because this 3 is, I should divide by 2 factorial. Why? Because 3 is repeating twice. Right? As I told in the previous example, we should divide it by 2. Now see, what do you get? 5 into 3 factorial is what? 3 into 2 into 1. What is 2 factorial? 2 into 1. So you get cancelled. What do you get? 5 3s are 15. So you got 15 options where the number 3 appears twice. But how many options where the number 3 appears thrice? Only one option, because that option is nothing but 3 3 3. Here it is appearing thrice. So how many such options you have? Only one option. So 15 plus 1, how much? 16 options where the where the number 3 appears at least twice. So which option? Option C, 16. Now let's see the fifth question. A coin is tossed 5 times. How many outcomes are possible in which head appears at least once? See, a coin is tossed 5 times. Let's do one thing. Let's take 5 options. First time I have 2 options, either head or tail. Second time also have 2 options, head or tail. Third time 2 options, head or tail. Fourth time 2 options, head or tail. Fifth time 2 options, head or tail. So total what? 32 options. There are 32 outcomes. In that, head appears at least once. At least once means once, twice, thrice, 4 times or 5 times. Head has to appear at least these many number of times. Okay, now what I will do is I will neglect, we have tossed the coin 5 times. Okay, you don't have only one case where head has appeared 0 times. Here you have all cases except 0, because head appeared no times, means you have got all the tails. It means if you have 5 tosses, you have got all the tails. It means to fill up this I have only one option, tail, 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 tail and tail. So it means there is only one case where you get all the tails. Okay, except that case, in all those cases you will have at least one head. See, in 32 combinations, you have total 32 combinations. There is only one combination where you get all the tails. It means the remaining 31, you will have at least one head. The option is option C, 31.